Hey guys, welcome in. This is Fintastic Films here with the review on the Gopro Karma Drone. Now, before I get started here, if you guys are new to the channel, please leave a like, comment down below what you think, and subscribe so you never miss out on new videos. Okay guys, so what I think of the Gopro Karma Drone, I think it is the best drone on the market to buy. I think this is because of the video quality you can get out of the GoPro, as you can see here, the video stabilization you get out of this, which you can also see here, and just how easy it is to fly compared to all other drones. Now, if I were to compare the Karma to something like the DJI Mavic Pro, which is probably the most popular drone on the market today, I would say the Karma is better. Yes, they do get about the same video quality, but the Karma has much better stabilization and is much easier to fly than the DJI Mavic Pro. Some other things that are great about the GoPro Karma Drone are that putting on and taking off the propellers are super easy. All you have to do is spin them in the right direction until they lock. Next, the remote control that you use is super easy and super helpful. It's not overcomplicated with buttons and stuff like that. Everything is simple and easy to use. The Karma remote even has a voice automated sound system. It tells you when your battery is low, directions on what to do, when your drone is ready to fly, and many more things. Also, if your battery gets super low, the Karma drone automatically returns back to where it took off. Lastly, the Karma drone is so easy to take places. Everything folds up and fits into its case. If that isn't good enough, the case that Karma comes in is a lightweight backpack that you can carry anywhere and have your drone ready to fly. So if you guys are looking for the best drone on the market, I would suggest buying the GoPro Karma Drone. I would suggest that because of the video quality you get out of it, the video stabilization, how easy it is to fly, and just how great of a drone all around this really is. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Please leave a like, comment down below what you think, and subscribe so you never miss out on new videos.